What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of May 2nd, 2025. Welcome to May. This is a series where we like to go through the newsletter and show y'all in person what each item is looking like. By the way, my name is Mason. I'm the inventory specialist here.
I'm Mitchell. I'm a manager here.
And without further ado, let's get started.
First, I want to highlight Explore, where we have some deals going on. It is coming from Clothworks. I want to highlight the Fluffy Biscuits kit, which is regularly priced at $119.96, but we have it on sale for $66.96. And then also the 5-inch squares, which are regularly $15.96, which are also on sale for $7.96. Plus all of the rest of the yardage that we have is priced at $9.96 per yard. With this collection, expect patterns such as panels, world maps, signs, collages, luggages, clocks, globes, phrases, and crackle textures, all in a color scheme of teal, red, orange, taupe, gray, khaki, cream, and black. So if you want to check out these deals, make sure to go on an adventure for less with Explore from Clothworks.
Next collection we're going to talk about is from Riley Blake. It is Pine Grove. This is featuring 10-inch stackers, 5-inch stackers, fat quarter bundles, the In the Forest quilt kits, also 108 white quilt backing, and the full collection of yardage. The patterns for this collection are a main print featuring camping motifs, coordinating prints of trees, pine cones, plaids, geometric blenders, and wood grain textures in colors of brown, putty, black, green, and tan. So make yourself a happy camper with Pine Grove from Riley Blake. Also with the Pine Grove 108 white quilt backing, it is due to arrive in June, July area, so not here just yet, but very, very soon.
Next up, I want to highlight Sagewood from Moda. With this, we have the layer cakes, charm packs, fat quarter bundles, also the assorted yardage. This one is a bring forward kind of group because it has florals and butterflies, all in a bright color scheme of pink, teal, yellow, green, cream, and black. Go cherish the beauty of nature with Sagewood from Moda.
Next collection we have for y'all is from Free Spirit. Is another Eclectic Elements palette green though this time. This is featuring exclusive scrap petal quilt kits, fat quarter bundles, 108 white quilt backing, and a full collection of yardage. The patterns for this collection are collages, stamps, tickets, maps, typography, numbers, tapestry, tiny prints, and more, in colors of course, green. So if you are already enjoying a lot of these Eclectic Element collections, I know there's been a ton of different colors and we're not even through all of them yet. There's still more coming, but maybe you want to try out this green collection. Go green with palette green from Free Spirit.
Next, I want to highlight something new that we're doing here. We are doing 1 yard cuts. So we're taking a lot of our fabric that we already have and we're cutting them into 1 yard increments, folding them up and then selling them out. So that being said, like I just said, these are pre-cut, ready to ship 1 yard cuts priced at $9.96 each. So that is going to be a little bit cheaper than your normal per yard fabric. Also did want to note that these are in 1 yard increments. So if you do order 2, 3, 4 of these 1 yard cuts, those are going to be individually in 1 yard pieces. They're not going to be one continuous yardage. Make sure to buzz on over to our website to check out our 1 yard cuts.
Next item we have for y'all is an item that we have on sale this week. It is the Saddle Ranch bundles from Moda. As you can see, we all of a sudden have it right behind us there.
How'd that happen?
I don't know. Thank you, Justin. This is a fat quarter bundle featuring 24 fat quarter pieces. The original price for this is $103.96. We have it on sale for y'all at $69.96. So make sure to lasso up a big deal with these Saddle Ranch bundles from Moda.
Next up, I want to highlight a hot pre-order we have going on, which is our Nyla quilt jackets. We both have cool and warm currently. I want to let you know that these are pretty hot. They are going relatively quickly. So if you want a jacket, you can go check this out right now. This is featuring the K Facet collective group. So we all know who K Facet is. So if you like his style of prints, the all vibrant colors and different patterns, this might be right up your alley. These kits are scheduled to ship out in September/October area. Somewhere in that time frame should be when we're receiving those. Also, these kits are priced at $182.96. Pre-orders on these Nyla jackets are heating up, so make sure to grab one before they freeze up.
As always, we have our May bargains pages where we have things such as remnants, kits, notions, and who knows what else on sale for y'all. And make sure to check it daily because we update it daily. See what kind of deals you can find.
Next up, we're into our comment of the week. This is where we take a comment from last week's episode and put it onto this week's episode. We are going to highlight Margaret Lavinius 4634, who says, "Great video as usual. Mason, it's nice to see you without your hat. My favorite of the week is summertime fabric. The pillowcase kits are a nice idea. A great way to get more people to sew. My grandkids love grandkids. A great way to get more people to sew. My grandkids love theirs, and I even got. Why can I not read? What is happening? My grandkids love theirs, and I even got my granddaughter to help me when she was 3. She used her elbow to press on the sewing machine foot pedal. She put it on the table and pushed buttons to cut threads, and she really liked using the Wonder Clips. Have a good week." First off, thank you, Margaret. We love getting these comments from you. It's really cool that you got your granddaughters to help out with your kits and even help sewing with the pushing on the pedal. That's kind of funny. Mason, how do you feel about that compliment?
Oh, I appreciate it. You know, I can't have a hat on at all times. Got to make sure I don't have a receding hairline. So I gotta make sure I keep it all intact. Gotta keep the flow going. You know, it's a party in the back here, so I gotta let it flow.
So once again, I want to thank you for this comment. Thank you for keeping up with us. If you want to be featured in next week's comment of the week, make sure to drop your comments down below.
As always, thank you for watching this episode of Friday Fabric Finds. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. Leave a comment. You might be featured on next week's comment of the week. Make sure to also follow us on our social media. The links are down in the subscription. And with all that, we will see y'all next week.
Thanks for watching.
See ya.